Welcome to the world of hopes and possibilities. These words of Coleridge ring true for India's education system. Today, we have a huge demand for manpower and an equally large supply of it, but unfortunately, the two are mismatched. The International Labour Organization estimates that by 2020, India will have 160 million productive youth between the age of 20 and 24. We have the people, but do we have the ability to equip them to become the productive workforce of this massive work engine? This is what Centurion University is doing through its social enterprise wing, Gram Tarang. Centurion University, a state-enacted multi-skill, multi-sector, multi-campus university in Odisha, has set up an environment-conscious, eco-friendly campus where a disruptive innovation is being attempted by challenging the stigma associated with vocational education, and skilling is made aspirational for our youth. Through its partnerships with the National Skill Development Corporation and other government bodies and strong industry partnerships, Centurion has made itself a self-sustaining skill university. Skills for all, from the school dropout to the postgraduate and PhD scholar, they all live and learn together in an inclusive environment. A variety of skills offered through well-equipped skilling centers under one roof is what the Centurion Gram Tarang model stands for. The sewing center enables rural youth to become sewing machine operators. They are then placed with large apparel houses in Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore and Tirupur, thus empowering them with a lifelong skill and livelihood. The vision of the university is to establish a fully integrated training center in the textile and apparel sector where one could learn from spinning to fashion design. The many machine shops which house lathes, milling machines, shapers, grinders and CNC machines are used to impart manufacturing skills and produce aero engine components for the MiG and Sukhoi aircrafts of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Special courses are offered for industrial automation and PLC programming. Mini Tool Room Training Center houses high-precision equipment which helps students in designing and manufacturing components. The Universal Testing Machine helps to find out different tensile strengths of materials to decide on its appropriateness for making a component. The Thermal Engineering Laboratory has been set up for preparation and testing of biodiesel using variable compression ratio diesel engines. 600 ITI graduates from all over India have undergone induction training, and another 600 dealer staff has upgraded their skills in the heavy commercial vehicle workshop established by Ashok Leyland in 2010. The automotive workshop has working models, engine cut sections and four-wheelers ranging from a truck to the Mercedes for hands-on learning. The state-of-the-art Gram Tarang Yamaha Training School is an example of the industry-academia partnership where youth can become a two-wheeler service technician after a year's training. Godrej Forklift Program skills operators and maintenance technicians for work in warehouses and factories. Godrej provides support in curriculum and training of trainers. The BEML Backhoe Loader Operator Program is especially designed to meet the needs of the mining sector in Odisha. Basic electrical maintenance is taught in live environment by exposing students to actual control panels and transformers within the campus. Cafe Coffee Day, India's leading player in the quick service restaurant segment, is responsible for revolutionizing the cafe culture in India. 600 brewmasters are trained in this exclusive learning shop each year and deployed in outlets across the country. One of the highlights of this program is that students with speech and hearing disabilities are trained here by special trainers. Godrej and Boyce, through its CSR program Disha, has sponsored a refrigeration and AC repair shop, a modular furniture repair shop, and a woodwork carpentry shop for fabrication of furniture. Trainers and trainees both are certified by Godrej. Earning a living by working on a computer remains one of the most aspirational jobs for today's youth. Gram Tarang equips high school graduates for specific job roles such as domestic BPO services, data entry operators, and office assistants. The Welding and Fabrication Shop is a production-cum-learning facility where learners learn TIG welding and fabricate furniture. There is a facility to surface finish and powder coat furniture. The fiber optics lab, where students learn to detect faults in cable and fix them by splicing, has been set up to interface with the telecom industry. Acme Cleantech Solutions has partnered with Gram Tarang to train and place students as tower technicians. Centurion University has a green campus and is striving to reduce carbon footprint by giving youth skills in the renewable energy sector, especially solar energy. The university was recently in the news for manufacturing a cost-effective, environment-friendly solar fish dryer. The food and kitchen waste from the various canteens is fed into a compost converter to produce organic manure. There is also a vermiculture facility which produces organic compost to nourish the abundant vegetation. The university, in partnership with CEDA Australia, is skilling youth in sports coaching, event management, and gymnasium instruction. The playground, basketball court, tennis court of international standards are instrumental in this. One of the path-breaking projects of the university is its Urban Microbusiness Center. Through this center, it advocates community development and entrepreneurship. Women from urban slums are skilled here to become self-employed in food processing, tailoring, and setting up their own cottage industry, while their children are educated and groomed side by side. The success of the Skill University has been achieved through a replicable model of research, planning, institutional building, industry linkage, and a grassroots connect with the community, along with loads of zeal, passion, and commitment. This is the only way to achieve skills with substance, scale with sustainability, and speed with stability. This is how Centurion Gram Tarang is impacting lives and empowering communities.